Hi, welcome to our One Auto. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna. I'm gonna replace door safety.
Check
This,
stop.
let me show you where is the problem. See, this is the door safety thing right here. Attached to this. So this thing is come out like when you push the door. This thing is come on little by little up to here. So this one attached in here. This two bolt is when you open, just you hear one click like. So most of the time is this is from other side. Let me show you how this works. You see, when I open the door and when you try to open, look, just jump. It's not supposed to be like this. Once again, close the door, and when I try to open, look, to the jump. You see, because it's splitting here, so we need to replace it. I'm going to show you other side. To do that, we need to, first of all, we need to open this door panel. We need to open this screw right there. Just take the screw off. Take this off. And then I need to take this off. This two screw. After that, just pry in here with something. Pry it. And then just pull it. Pull it like this. See, there's a little tab right there. So this tab is go inside right there, so you can pull this right there. This tab. So that, just pull it by here. You need to pull it. See this? To pull it, so this thing is go inside right here. So you just need to pull it this way. After that, there's a connector. See, little like tab. Just push it and pull this. First of all, you need to push this and pull this thing, pull the whole thing all over. See, this is the lock. You need to pull this lock first, then you pull the. After open that, just pry a little cover from here. Just pry something right there. See this? There's one screw right there. We just need to take the screw out. Out, and then there's a two screw holding this thing. You need to open these two screw. Take the other one. Open this so that you can pull this. And then there's another screw right there. This whole thing holding to the body right here. This door panel attached to the body with only this screw. And just open that. This is there's a lot of screws right there. Then basically you just, there's a one plastic screw right here on the side. Let's open that. Just leave it a little bit attached. Just pull it, this whole thing come out. You need to open these two. Just grab in here. put it like this. See right here, there's a clip right there. Let's go inside right here, like this, and just push the clip in here. And just put something in here, just pry it. Just pull it all the way. And it's holding somewhere right here. Pull it. Just pull like this. This whole thing is come out. So be careful when you pull that. There is a this handle attached with the two handle is attached with this here. There's a so remember which one is go where. The bottom green go to the bottom and white one on the top. So just you can just pull it out. And there's a one connector right here. And just push in here. Just pull it. Push this. Just pull it. There you go. Came out. After that, we need to open this speaker. Right there, this is speaker. So right there, there's a tab. And just push it. And push. Just pull it like this. Basically, you need to push this right here, like this thing. Push it, pull it. Then I'm gonna open this bolt. 10mm bolt. So you open all this bolt. Just take this off. There's a 10mm bolt right there. Sometimes you will see the 12 or sometimes 10. This is 10mm. So we need to just take the 10mm off. And you need to open two 10mm bolt. With 2 bolts. You need to open door all the way, so getting access to this. After you taking 2 bolts, this thing is go the whole thing under like this. Or you can pull the hand from here inside, grab this, just pull it. See this? Whole thing came out right there. So put it back as reverse removal. Just put in here like this. It's coming out like that. You see the 2 bolt is going this one is out, this one is almost out. These 2 bolt, you just put the knot on it. You need to tie the bolt, this 2 10mm bolt. Just tie it up. Then you need to close the door little by little till you're getting access to this. Otherwise you have to push this out like this and this. So then just tie it up. Good. And put the speaker back, then put the door panel back. Just reverse is removable. Thanks for watching.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.